And we're back with another banger video, y'all. How y'all doing today? It's Russell Side, we're back with another video. We're at Cars and Caffeine today. We got a G82 rolling in, the M5 competition. Looks like we have a 488 over there. Looks like there's a brand new Z06 sitting over here on this side. So, 570 over there as well. But I think today's gonna be a pretty good day. So, y'all just enjoy. Got the 720 pulling in. This M5 is insane. Jesus. I'm standing in front of one of the most iconic retro cars known to man. Tell me where you've seen a Shelby Cobra, a real Shelby Cobra in person with a Cobra badge, the 427 Cobra. This thing is gorgeous. Now, let me take the time just to. You gotta admire him. This is before our time, so this is insane. Still do have to take the time to admire the 570S, regardless. I mean, honestly, this is like one of my, I'll put this in like my top 5 favorite McLarens. I'm not even gonna lie to you, just the way that the 570 looks and the way that they sound. It's a McLaren at the end of the day, like, you know what I'm saying, champ? I know you guys remember me standing at the top of these stairs. This is the before. Right? And I'll show you the after later on, of course, when the after comes, but the after is not here yet. So we're just gonna wait on everybody else to start pouring in and stuff like that. So just see how one more car's pour in. Got another 720 pouring in. Well, I don't know, these 720s are really starting to grow on me. The more and more that I look at the aerodynamics and stuff like that, the 720 is starting to grow on me a lot, and I do mean a lot. The front splitter, the rims, the doors go up. The doors go up, you know it go down. It'll go down. But this is insane. We have a GT3 here. We have Scat Pack. Got a couple AMGs up here on that side. A couple Porsches. We have a C8 down there. Lotus. And they have a couple BMWs, and then we have the Supra that inspired me to get the wheels that I got. Supra that inspired me to get the wheels that I got, y'all.
What's up, Austin? What's happening, man?
A Ferrari pulling in. I'm not sure what kind of Ferrari this is, but oh, it's a Portfolio. Missed the Roma. Sorry, it's the Roma. Ferrari Roma. I think it's safe to say the Ferrari Roma is insane. Get it? Rome. No. We have lip swips coming in with the STO in the back, and we have the R8 here on the front. Here's R8, D2 turbo. Got lip swips and the STO. What's going on, my guy? Hey, what's up, man? Doing all right? Good? What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Good. Got the other STO pulling in. TS pulling in as well. We have a GT3 here. We have an F12. Oh wow. We have Wildcat coming in to steal the show. And there goes Wildcat. Just in case many of you don't know who it is, it's Wildcat, famous YouTuber. So this is the after shot. All these cars here, all these people here. It's pretty insane. We have a pretty insane lineup. So I'll give you a little montage.
Good one of it rolling in.
You did a real good right there.
Yeah.
All right, that's nice. Okay, you got the rolling. You got the shot of him rolling in. Okay. He don't. Look, Champ gonna be good. Nice when he get on the house.
Thank you.
Nice. Yeah, so we got a whole bunch of cars pulling in. What's up, man? Got a whole bunch of cars outside. We have trays already. Got looks like a Lotus, I think. Got a Hellcat right beside tray. I heard there's a Technica out here, so we're gonna go see what that's talking about. But yeah, here's the new Technica right here. This thing is okay. Now I'm starting to like it in person because on camera. Yeah, I'm starting to like it in person. Yeah, I like that. That purple is crazy. It's like a midnight purple. Yeah, this thing is sick. That's crazy. And then I think we have a Caterham. It's like I forgot how to pronounce it. It's like a Caterham. Yeah, Caterham. This thing is insane, dog. This be one of my favorite cars in Need for Speed to run from the cops on, but mind you, it's Need for Speed. Real life. Oh, we don't tolerate none of that on the channel, champ.
Trying to get out of here.
Yeah, okay. Come on. Just come all the way this way. All right, now come straight. Oh, wait. He said, I'm a YouTuber. Yep. All good.
You're good. Keep cut it. All gravy. All gravy.
AMG GT coming out. AMG sound good no matter what, man. No matter what. We got the purple Ferrari heading out. That thing looks good. Oh, my bad, it's the DBS. I'm tweaking out. It's the DBS, so it's good. Yeah. So what what's going on, dog? What up, man? Yeah. I see you. You got you roll by. You got a charger out? That thing look good up under there, man.
Yeah. Pain in the ass.
Wow. Yeah. I don't know, what y'all think look better? The inside of the Roma or the inside of the green Huracan? Which one? The Spider or the Roma? Which one y'all think look better? He got a mean blow-off valve. Hey then.
Hey, can we hear it real quick? Thank you.
Get it right. Have a good one.
All right, bro. Go ahead up out here, my guy.
What?
Like going up out here? All right, bro.
Good to see you.
All right, for sure. I'll see y'all. We'll probably try to get something together next weekend. So everyone want like the rolling shots and stuff like this.
Yeah.
Try to get something. All right, be safe out there, man. I don't know what it is about the 650s. They sound like P1s.
Run to the back of that trailer.
They sound like P1s, bro.
Hey, dude.
What a TRX? Is it? No. It's not. Whoa, wait a minute. Next we have the Pro Charge Mustang coming up. think it is. Woo-wee. I kind of like these GTS's though. Ooh! Goodness! Gracious, mama, me!
Same loud, bro.
It's just, it's absurd, and I like it. I love it. I love it absurd. All right, y'all, my man.
Proper exotic, baby.
All right, now. Proper exotic, you heard him. You already know what's going on.
I see these niggas cry, tell them wipe your eyes. So
sick with the black on black, dude. That's insane. Y'all, my boy?
Yeah, man. See you, bud.
See you. Somebody is really light. That's insane. The bronze cover. Got the DBS Supercars leaving out.
They're too classic.
They're rocking DBS. Now we are leaving. I'm leaving. I need some food. Man, my lips are probably chapped. Hold on, give me a second. Start her up. Woo! That's a cold start. I've been here since like 7:20, 7:30. So it's been about 3-4 hours since I've been here. So, you know, she's still cold start. Oh my! Now that boy I look way better, a little more professional. Know what I'm saying? Lips ain't chapped. Know what I'm saying, champ? But we about to go get some food. I don't know. I kind of look, y'all. I've been struggling with trying to get away from Waldo's, but it's one of the only places where I can bring out my computer and really get on the internet, service the internet and stuff like that. Use it for editing and stuff like that. So it's I don't know, getting kind of hard to try to get away from Waldo's. That's all I'm gonna say. But it's either gonna be Wingstop, it's gonna be Chick-fil-A. You know what I'm saying? I might not eat nothing right now. I might just. So I might just go Waldo's and chill out over there and just edit on the last video, the video that came up before this one. You know what I'm saying? Type beat. But I don't know. If y'all did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll turn the camera back on if anything else interesting happens. Until then, today's video is over. And I love y'all, man. Peace out.